Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now students, let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about polite and rude behavior. Students, firstly we will learn that what represents our behavior, that is good or bad. Students are way of speaking representing our behavior. How we speak to others, should we give them respect? If you are speaking with someone politely and give respect to them, then it represents that our behavior is good. And if we talk to someone rudely and don't give respect to them, that it represents that our behavior is bad. Now students, I will tell you some stories and then you will listen them and understand them. After that, I will ask you some questions related to that story. Are you ready students? Then let's start. Students, firstly you listen the story. Navneet and Anuj were playing. They were in Anuj's house. Navneet was feeling hungry. He went to the Anuj house kitchen. He opened the fridge. Immediately he saw some cake. He took out a big piece and started eating it. Anuj's mother came in and saw him. She said, Navneet, in this house, when we are hungry, we ask for something to eat. We don't open the fridge and take it out. Now students, I will ask you some questions and you will answer them. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think Navneet was right to open the fridge?
No, ma'am. It's a bad habit to open others' fridge.
Very good. What would you do if you were playing in a friend's house and felt hungry?
Ma'am, I will ask him to give me something to eat, or otherwise, I will go to my home and take something.
Okay, very good. Now students, let's recite another one story. Nilu and Pana were playing with their dolls. They were dressing up their dolls. They were putting flowers on their hairs. Nilu found a nice red flower to put in her doll's hair. Pana liked it. She wanted to eat. She snatched it from Nilu. She put the flower in her own doll's hair. Nilu tried to take it back, but Pana pushed her. Nilu began to cry. Now students, give me the answers of some questions. Did Pana do the right thing? Students?
Ma'am, no. Pana did bad thing.
Very good. If Pana wanted the flower, what should she have done?
She have to done. Sorry, ma'am. She have to ask Nilu for the flower.
Yes, very good. If you were Nilu, what would you have done?
Ma'am, I will ask Pana to give me the flower.
students, let's recite one more story. Seema and her mother went to visit Ranu auntie house. Ranu auntie gave them juice to drink. Seema's mother said, Seema, sit at the table and drink the juice. It will spill. Seema made a rude faces at her mother. She did not listen. Suddenly, the glass slipped and fell from Seema's hand. The juice fell on the white sofa. Ranu auntie looked very angry. I am so sorry, Seema's mother said, as she cleaned the sofa. She looked very sad. Now students, after this story, I will ask you some questions and you will give the answer. Ready students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Was Seema's mother wrong to ask her to sit at the table?
No, ma'am. She was right.
Was it okay for Seema to make a face at her mother?
No, ma'am. It's a bad habit.
Very good. Why do you think Seema's mother was sad?
Ma'am, Seema's mother was sad as she has fallen juice on the table.
Very good. Students, I hope you have enjoyed today's session and learn about good habits. Students, I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, students. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you.